Hello. In this session, lecture 8, we'll discuss about oxy acids of sulfur, their structures, if possible, their salts and all. Okay. So first line of oxy acids of sulfur is all are dibasic acids. Whatever the acids we are going to see, all are dibasic acids. In all of these, the hybridization is sp3. Okay, now sp3 hybridization will be there. Depending on the lone pairs, the structure may vary. Okay, now, but generally that will be sp3 hybridization will be there. All are dibasic. Okay, so we'll go one by one about these. First one, sulfoxylic acid. This generally we don't discuss. Okay, now, not mentioned even in majority books also. Sulfoxylic acid formula is H2SO2. Okay, all are, as I said, sp3 hybridized. So you can expect a structure like this: OH, OH, tetrahedral type of geometry actually, but two lone pairs are there. So two OH groups are there, dibasic acid. Sulfoxylic acid, H2SO2. Next, this is rare. Second category is us acids. Now we will discuss about us acids. Us acids means lower oxidation state will be there. Otherwise, you can say one lone pair will be there. Oxidation state lower and one lone pair you can see in all these cases. Us acids. So first us acid is H2SO3. H2SO3 is sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. Okay. Structure is S, one lone pair as I said, one double bond O, OH and OH. H2SO3, you can check the formula. As two OH groups are there, it is dibasic. If you remove this H, it is HSO3 minus hydrogen sulfide. If you remove one more, SO3 minus 2, this is sulfide. Two series of salts, sulfide and hydrogen sulfide, or you say bisulfite. H2SO3, sulfurous acid. In this sulfurous acid, if you decrease one oxygen and increase one sulfur, the formula will be H2S2O2. Then the name will become thiosulfurous acid. I just wanted to give you the difference, that's why I am managing here only. This is thiosulfurous acid. Everything are same. Okay. Us acids we are discussing. Third one is H2S2O2. It is thiosulfurous acid. Structure is like this. The interesting point you see, S double bond O, OH and OH. Here sulfur oxidation state is +4. Here also sulfur oxidation state is +4, but this sulfur is -2. Terminal sulfur oxidation state is -2. It is behaving like this oxygen. So oxygen -2, so this sulfur is also -2. But the average, if you see, average if you want to calculate, one sulfur is +4, one sulfur is -2 by 2. So that will be 1. And it's a +1. Average oxidation state in thiosulfurous acid is +1. One sulfur is with +4 as usual. One sulfur is with -2. That is interesting. They can ask you a question based on this. So three acids we have discussed. Two in us acid series, sulfurous and thiosulfurous. Next is in us acid series. Okay, we'll go with the next one, that is H2S2O5. Pyrosulfurous acid. What is pyrosulfurous acid? SOS double bond OOH. One double bond O is also mandatory except the first case. This is pyrosulfurous acid. You can check 2H Okay, 5 oxygens, and sulfur oxidation state is +3. As I said, lower oxidation states. This is one of lower oxidation state. You can see there is oxygen. Sorry, +4. +4 only. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is double bond. H2S2O5, even sulfur +4 only. Lower oxidation state +4. +3 will come in other compound. I will show you that one also. H2S2O5 pyrosulfurous acid. Oxidation state is +4. It can also show 2 series of salts, pyrosulfurous acid. All these are us acids. Okay, 3 us acids we are discussing: sulfurous, thiosulfurous, and pyrosulfurous. Then we will go with next ec acids. Ec acid series. In ec acid series, the first one is H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Oxidation state is +6. Sulfur oxidation state will be +6 here. Higher oxidation state, no lone pairs will be here. Ec acids means there are no lone pairs. Ec acids cases. And oxidation state will be generally +6. Higher oxidation state will be there. We know sulfuric acid, oil of vitriol, king of chemicals, write as double bond O, OH and OH. This is sulfuric acid. Okay, we know this structure very well. We were seeing this in many cases. Now you see, ec acid's next acid is, this I am decreasing one number, this I am increasing one number, H2S2O3. So this I am taking as S. So here 2 sulfurs are there. As we were discussing, this will be replacing the, so -2 oxidation state, this will be +6. So the average oxidation state is +6, -2 means +4, +4 by 2 is nothing but +2. This is average oxidation state. Name of this acid is thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid, H2S2O3. H2SO4 is sulfuric, H2S2O3 is thiosulfuric acid. Okay, now oxidation states +6 and -2. The next one is pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid is H2S2O7. It is nothing but 1 water less than the sulfuric acid, you can say. So this is popularly known as oleum. Pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid oxidation state is +6 only. See the structure, SOS, double bond OH, double bond oxygens OH. So 2 OH groups are there, dibasic acid, and 1 SOS linkage, SOS linkage you can say, for easy identification purpose. H2S2O7, it is nothing but, you see, this is 1 sulfuric acid if you keep here 1 H. This is 1 sulfuric acid if you keep here 1 H. That means 1 water is short. H2S2O7 is 1 water short of 2 sulfuric acid units. So you can say it is anhydride of sulfuric acid also. H2S2O7, oleum pyrosulfuric acid. Sorry. Next one, we'll go with 2 special acids, peroxo series. Okay, now us acid series, ec acid series, As3, Ec3, first one sulfoxylic, 7 over. Now 2 more we'll see. One is Carros acid, second is Marshall's acid. Okay, Carros is H2SO5. It is H2S2O8. Both cases sulfur oxidation state is going to be +6 only. In both the cases there will be a peroxy linkage. H2SO5 is like this, S double bond O, one is OH, another is OH, one peroxy linkage. This you can say like this, a SOS linkage will be there. Previously I said SOS linkage, now you can say this is SOS linkage. H2S2O8. This is peroxomonosulfuric acid. And this is peroxodisulfuric acid. There is a peroxy linkage, that's why these terms are there. When this sulfuric acid is treated with hydrogen peroxide, it forms whatever I am showing there with the blue color mark, that is the peroxy bond. Carose acid H2SO5, Marshall's acid H2S2O8. Two peroxo acid series. You can say these two as peroxo series. Next, thioacid series. In thioacid series, again we have different. See, thioacid series. Thioacid series means there will be a sulfur-sulfur single bond. Thioacid series. Okay, not only one, there are few. The first one is dithionous acid. Dithionous acid. Dithionous acid formula is H2S2O4. H2S2O4. This you can say hyposulfurous acid. Hyposulfurous acid is the other name. Dithionous acid. It's very simple. You see, SS bonding will be there. As I said, thioacid series means there will be a SS bond. And now this is double bond O, OH and OH. 2 hydrogens, 2 sulfurs, 4 oxygens. Each sulfur will be having a lone pair. Here the oxidation state is 3. Lower oxidation state, so hypotherm has come. Hyposulfurous acid, thioacid series. This is called dithionous acid. As means lower oxidation state. So this is dithionous acid, H2S2O4. One other one we'll see in this series only. Dithionic acid. Dithionic acid is little more number of oxygens will be there. H2S2O6. When this is there, you can say this is hyposulfuric acid. Ic. Previously I said that is As. This is Ic. Structure you can easily guess is double bond O, OH. Previous case one extra, that's all. SS bond is mandatory. Each sulfur oxidation state will be here +5. No lone pairs are there. +5 oxidation state. Hyposulfuric acid. Dithionic acid. Or you say hyposulfuric acid. We are discussing thioacid series. Along with this, we have polythionic acids. With that, we'll conclude this topic. Polythionic acids. Thionic means again same structure as we were discussing just now. H2, S2 plus N, O6. This N value may be 1 to 4. Okay. 1 to 4 means you see the structure will be like this. S double bond O, OH. If one sulfur is there, if N is equals to 1 beta, this will be like this. So this I am writing Sn. Okay, this N means don't think that this is 10. This is N number. Okay, that may be 1, that may be 2, that may be 3, that may be 4. If N is equals to 1, that you can say trithionic acid. If 1 is 2, tetrathionic acid. 3 pentathionic acid, 4 hexathionic acid. Whatever the sulfurs are present here, for them the oxidation state is 0, and for these sulfurs the oxidation state will be +5. Remember, the sulfurs which are in the middle, which are joining like the bridges, their oxidation state will be 0. One very important point, this is to be noted. Okay, so these all are oxy acids of sulfur. Okay, I was giving you sulfoxylic acid, H2SO2, then 3 acids, sulfurous, thiosulfurous and pyrosulfurous, then 3 ec acids, sulfuric, thiosulfuric and pyrosulfuric, then 2 peroxoseries, Caros and Marshalls, then dithionous, dithionic, then polythionic. Okay, in the next session we will discuss about sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid. That will be lecture number 9.